Reproduction in animals. If living organisms do not reproduce, they will have nobody to represent them in future. Therefore, all living organisms produce young ones of their own kind. This is called reproduction. Some animals such as human beings, dogs, horses and lions give birth to their young ones. There are some other animals such as birds, fish and insects which lay eggs and the young ones hatch from these eggs. Animals that produce babies. Animals that give birth to their young ones and feed them on milk are called mammals. Human beings, tigers, dogs, horses and cats are some mammals. Mother animals feed their young ones on their own milk. The young ones of a mammal grow inside the mother's body for some weeks. Some mammals give birth to one baby at a time, while others give birth to many babies. Care of the young ones. Once the babies of mammals are born, they are very weak to need a lot of care to survive. Usually, the mother takes care of her babies. She feeds them and protects them from enemies. In some mammals, such as monkeys and wolves, the father also takes care of their babies. It guards and protects them from enemies. Animals that lay eggs. Birds. Birds reproduce by laying eggs. Birds build their nests on trees to lay their eggs and raise their young ones. Birds sit on the eggs to keep them warm. This process is called incubation. The egg provides all necessary nutrients to the embryo or the baby bird inside. It helps the baby bird to develop. Parts of an egg. The outermost part of an egg is called the eggshell. Inside the eggshell is a white, jelly-like substance called the albumin, which is rich in proteins. Albumin protects the embryo from shocks and provides it with water. Inside the albumin lies the inner part of the egg, called the egg yolk. The egg yolk is a round, yellow-colored part which is rich in minerals, fats and vitamins. It provides food to the embryo, which develops into a chick. The egg hatches in a few days and the chick comes out of the egg. Insects. In insects such as butterflies, houseflies and moths, the baby insect looks different from the parent insect. The baby of a butterfly is called a larva or a caterpillar. The caterpillar converts into a pupa. The pupa sheds its skin many times and changes into an adult butterfly. This process of shedding of the old skin is called molting. Frog. A female frog lays eggs in large clusters called spawns in water. When the eggs hatch, tiny baby frogs called tadpoles come out of them. A tadpole has a tail and looks like a fish. It swims in water and eats water plants. Later it grows legs. The tail also becomes shorter and disappears finally. Gradually the tadpole changes into an adult frog. A complete change from the young one to an adult form is called metamorphosis. Some other egg-laying animals. Fish lay thousands of eggs in water at a time. Baby fish hatch from these eggs. Animals such as lizards, snakes and turtles lay their egg on the ground.